Today we're gonna make summer rolls with Kim. She's gonna teach us the Vietnamese way. We added water and a tablespoon of sugar, and now we're gonna add some fish sauce.
Thin skin, the more thin, the more juice come out. And this is very juicy. Okay.
Add in the garlic and the chili pepper.
Oh, juicy. That's the key. You have to know how to choose.
So same thing, we're gonna be cutting up the cucumber just like how we did the carrots. Cut up some chives.
This is a Thai basil, and this is sweet basil. Mostly Vietnamese people, they prefer this than the Thai basil, but because I don't know which one you guys like, so I just picked two. So you guys can try today the sweet basil, okay? I'll wait for the water to boil. So you want to test if it's cooked by using the chopstick and poke it. If it's soft enough, no blood come out, and I think should be okay. Right now inside the hole you can see a little bit pink, so to be safe I think gotta be like about 5 minutes.
Cutting the shrimp in half, just like this. The pork is plated and so is the shrimp. Noodles for the summer roll.
Guys, how much basil you want? For me, I really want a lot. Make it look good, you put the shrimp this opposite. Yeah, so when you roll, the shrimp will show in the front. See, you see the shrimp gonna be front.